Hey everybody, and welcome back to Imma Try This. I'm Classy Ninja, and today I'm gonna try to make bath bombs. Now, this is just a bath bomb kit I got on Amazon from Urban Kangaroo, and they make a bunch of different products. This is not a sponsored video from them whatsoever, but I'm gonna try to make some bath bombs. So, I'm gonna try this. Now, the first thing it says to do is to mix all the dry ingredients. That's going to be all the powders and the salts. So we're going to start with this baking soda. It's just food grade baking soda is how it's labeled. So we're going to go ahead and cut that and pour it in. Discard the wrappings. And this is food grade cornstarch. So we're going to go ahead and mix that in here. And we're going to go ahead and move these back here. These are just the essential oils that will go in later. Here we have citric acid. So the citric acid gets mixed in as well. And then Epsom salt. Go ahead and get rid of these bags because that's just what the labeling was for the cornstarch and whatnot. So then you got to mix this together. It says to whisk it. I couldn't find a whisk. I know we have one somewhere in this house, but could not find it. So I'm just going to use a fork. Get that as mixed in as possible. And it just says make sure there's no chunks. And once that's done, we can move on to step 2. Now it says slowly drizzle the grapeseed oil over the dry ingredients, mixing everything until it is combined evenly. All right. So this is the grapeseed oil. And so we just slowly drizzle some of that in. Make sure you guys can see that. And discard that bottle. Now, we're just going to go ahead and mix all of the essential oils into one batch. It says to. Thing. It says that's an option. But all right. which is what we have in here. So it says to just spray it 20 times. That was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stable of a ball now, so let's go ahead and move on. So then from there, at this, okay, so it's saying we can add rose petals, which is this right here. Go ahead and add the rose petals, mix that in. Now at this point we can go ahead and try to put it in the molds. So we're going to go ahead and scoop it up, press it together. And oh, it's split in two. Okay, so it's going back to crumbly again, so we're going to try to add a little bit more water again. So let's go ahead and do 20 more pumps. Pumps, and go ahead and mix that in. And there we are. We got our first successful bath bomb. Let's go ahead and use one of these twist ties. And go ahead and tie that right up. And there's a successful bath bomb. Now let's go ahead and see if we can't make some more. They do give us varying sizes. Everybody, welcome back. So I have these 4 bath bombs here. We're gonna go ahead and try one of these out. So I'm gonna start with just the small one, see how it reacts. So these are the bath bombs that I just made. We're gonna go ahead and put them in. Oh, and it crumbled. So let's go ahead and use one of the larger ones since it hasn't crumbled. Well, that's kind of a nice effect. You got the little rose petals that float in the water with it. Interesting. Now let's do our small one that hadn't crumbled. We'll go ahead and throw that one in. Yeah, it's just kind of nice. And they just kind of dissolve, and you got the rose petals that float with it. I like that a lot. Well, everybody, we had some success this time around. We made 6 successful bath bombs, and we did get to try those out. It smelled nice. It worked well. All in all, it was a great show. Thank you, everybody, for watching. This is I'ma Try This, episode 2, Bath Bombs. I'm Classy Ninja, and I'm out.